Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic on how to define your target audience when writing a book for Amazon KDP. So whether you're just starting your writing journey or you're an experienced author looking to boost your book sales, understanding your readers is key. And in this video, I will guide you through everything you need to know about identifying exactly who you are writing for so you can connect with them on a deeper level, tailor your content, and get your book right in front of the readers who will love it the most. In the world of self-publishing, one of the most crucial steps to success is identifying and understanding your target audience. And a well-defined target audience helps you create content that resonates with readers, increase your book's chances of reaching the right people, and ultimately boost sales. So if you're preparing to write a book on Amazon KDP, you need to first of all understand the importance of a target audience. When writing for a broad, undefined audience, your message can become diluted, leading to a book that may appeal to no one specifically. So defining your target audience allows you to focus your writing on a specific group needs, interests, and preferences. And this connection increases readers' engagement, generate positive reviews, and the word of mouth of recommendations for your book. So one of the benefits of having a well-defined target audience is that it enhances readership. Your book will attract readers who are genuinely interested in your topic. And knowing your audience helps your book with the right keywords, categories, and promotional strategies, and writing with a clear audience in mind enhances the relevance and quality of your content. So defining your target audience begins with understanding your book's core purpose and genre. So ask yourself the following questions. What am I writing to achieve with this book? Is this book informative, entertaining, inspirational, or practical? Which genre does my book fall into, e.g. self-help, romance, science fiction, business, or children's fiction? So the answers to these questions will provide clues about the readers you should target. For example, if you're writing a self-help book on time management for young adults, your audience is likely younger professionals, college students, or those new to the workforce. On the other hand, a historical romance novel will attract readers interested in both romance and historical settings. So once you've figured out the idea of your book purpose and genre, then dive deeper into your audience demographics. Demographics here refers to measurable characteristics of your audience, such as their age. Is your audience young adults, middle-aged professionals, or retirees? Then their gender. Is your book more relevant to men, women, or everyone? Then their education level. What level of knowledge should your readers have? For example, a book on advanced physics will likely attract readers with a strong educational background in science. Having considered the demographics of our audience, you will have to delve into the lifestyles, values, and preference of your audience, such as what does your audience enjoy doing? This could range from hiking and photography to reading thrillers or cooking. What are their guiding principles? Some books may appeal more to audience with specific values like sustainability or personal development. Does your audience prefer light reading or in-depth content, fiction or non-fiction, practical guides or inspirational stories? So by combining all these insights, you can paint a comprehensive picture of your ideal reader. The next step will be to identify the top performing books in your genre on Amazon KDP. Look for the categories these books are listed under. This can help you identify niches and get ideas of keyword. Read customers' reviews and comments, especially the most detailed ones. Look for phrases like, this book helped me with, or I enjoyed it because. This will enable you to understand what readers are looking for. Then also visit the author pages of the writers with similar books. Many authors share information about their readers or their background, which can give a hint about their target audience. Keep a list of competitors' books that attract a similar readership and note what aspect of their content and marketing resonates with the readers. The next step will be to identify their goals. What does this reader want to achieve by reading your book? For instance, if you're writing a book on personal finance, the reader's goal might be financial independence or managing debt. So always identify their pain points. What are the challenges or frustrations that this reader faces? Pain points drive readers to seek out books that solve their problems. So for a book on self-confidence, a pain point might be a lack of self-esteem. Also consider what your audience enjoy reading, watching, or engaging with. This will help you align your tone, style, and content with their preferences. So if you're also not entirely sure about your target audience, consider writing a sample chapter or a blog post related to your book's topic. Share it on social media, your website, or as a free downloadable preview. Track the feedbacks and engagement to see if readers resonate with the content. Look for comments or questions from readers that might clarify their interests and needs. So your understanding of your audience may evolve as you write and gather more feedback. Be flexible and adjust your target audience based on your new insights. As you start promoting your book, monitor your readers' response to your marketing efforts and adjust if needed. So with a clearly defined audience, you can create an effective marketing plan that aligns with your audience by choosing keywords and categories that matches your audience search habits. Create captivating book covers that appeal to your target readers. Adjust your pricing to reflect what's affordable and appealing to your target audience, and then run Amazon or social media ads targeting demographics that aligns with your audience persona. Defining your target audience is essential for writing a book that connects with the readers on Amazon KDP. And by understanding who your readers are and what they want, you increase your chances of creating content that resonates with them. Defining your target audience is such a powerful step to creating a book that truly resonates. And I hope this video gave you the insight to find that perfect reader for your story. Following these steps will help you tailor your book to meet specific needs, improve reader engagement, and increase your book's success on Amazon KDP. So with this, we've come to the end of this discussion. If you find this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or tips you have in the comments below. I really love to read your thoughts. Also, don't forget to check out other Amazon KDP tutorials here on this channel, where I dive into everything from crafting compelling titles to marketing strategies that work. Furthermore, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new content to help you grow as an author. Thanks once again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.